Yeah, Candice. Okay. Now what I did is I moved some of this stuff in your menu from the one big menu bar, the green menu bar, to one called a new menu called Subjects and Resources. And you could see what I put in that. So I'll take out these elements from there, right? Location is secondary menu. Now this secondary menu sits on top of the primary menu. Let me show you how this works, right? You see here, when you go into menus, you come, when you scroll along and then you reach appearance, you go into menus, right? This is where this comes from, right? Um, these are the menus on top here. Select a menu to edit. Clicked here. There was something called language add zone. I wasn't sure what that was. Primary menu, which is this one. You click select. I'll make sure and save this one first. All right, let's see. All right. So now I want to go to primary menu. Click there. Click select, and it's going to bring out the whole long list there, right? So we don't want all of this because we moved them to another menu. So we could just open them and delete them. So all your zones, remove them, remove, remove, right? Programs could stay, general, download library, we can move that. Or we could keep it, or I'll move it because it's in the other one. Contactor should be at the end, so we just drag it down to the end. Get rid of science zone, right? Remove that. Get rid of math zone, remove that. Right. Right. So you just have normal things here. Now notice that this is the one that ticked. What happened before was that this wasn't ticked. So that's why you weren't seeing all the other items. This is actually the location. So I click save here. Right. Everything should come out now. Let me go to your Desha Academy. Desha Academy. Uh, Desha Academy. Alright, so I'll have the preview it. View site here. Okay, let's see. I'm going to share the preview. So now look what happened here. Right, so this is the subject and program menu. Right, this is located in the second location. And below that is the primary one, is the one in green. So you could shift things between the two of them. See our programs here. Um, yeah, so your language zone, science, social studies zone, download library, things to download here, right? Your live session and subscription packages, the book club, right? I could even have a login somewhere here. I'll put in somewhere to log in on top, right? Or suppose I have something, right? So but programs, I could probably take out programs, because it would be on top. Yeah, if you want to have it, you could keep it, right? But you know how to add it back if you want to. This general live session, I'm going to hide this so that it only comes up when somebody is logged in, right? And yeah, right. So that's what I'm going to do with that. How to do that? I'll go to menus again. Go to this general live session here. See, display to everyone, logged in users. So only people who are logged in will get to see that. Right? Let me save this menu. Bam. All right. Um, this general live view session. You can have more than one of these going on, right? So it's just a matter of creating different pages with the with um, the video insert on it, right? But that'll be another clip. I'll sort you through that. But this is how you put your menus in order. When we do all of that, we save menu. Now, if I'm not logged in, I should not see the general live session now, right? Because we changed that, right? To display to logged in users, right? So select the roles I should see this menu. Well, we leave blank for all also, right? So just left it blank. Okay. Same way we could have certain people see certain things. So I just had to change the rules, add rules here, and that will affect different people. Right, so save in menu, save menu, right. Now let me see a fresh version of your site. Let's go in incognito. ShareAcademy.com. Click there. Alright. Bam. You notice we no longer have that video that what we had before. It's disappeared because not logged on here. You see that? Right? What's this? Something is missing here. We'll sort that out. But you can see it there, right? Right. Um, yeah, so you see generalized session wasn't visible because when you went there, it wasn't around. We only put it for people who are logged in. All right. So that's it. And I'll give you another a full view of the membership thing in the next video clip.